Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm a KKM Financial. Well, we're looking at VIX cash now lower on the day. Now, that wasn't necessarily the case early in the session where we did see some heavy selling pressure, SPX testing the lower bound, and with that, the VIX pushing up towards 20. Currently priced at 18, so coming down with the markets reversing and finding some positive territory here. Now, intra-week high, 20.88. That's the highest level for the VIX going back to May, so we are in a little bit higher vol regime. Even though, when you look at realized volatility week over week, basically unchanged. 10-day realized volatility at 12% and 30-day realized volatility also measured at 12%, which is unchanged week over week. However, we are trading at a new lower bound here, breaking that 4,300 level in the S&P, testing a 200-day moving average. So I think that's part of the reason why we continue to see vol staying somewhat firm here. And when you look at the at-the-money straddle in the SPX, 30 days out, implied vol level of 16.5. That is definitely elevated from what we've seen throughout the summer. So again, some higher demand now that we are realizing some intraday volatility and also trading in a new trading range. Looking at the VIX futures, we're looking at the VIX futures basically parity to cash, a little bit of premium here now that the cash is at 18. And the roll market has narrowed a little bit today, still holding 35 to 40 cents a positive roll. And the futures market is in contango, even though the futures term structure is fairly flat now at these levels. Looking at activity in the VIX options, October and November 16 and 17 put lines, both very active today. And then you're looking at some out-of-the-money call action in the 20 strike to the 25 strike in both October and November. Next week, several things that could influence the vol structure, highlighted by PPI and CPI reports in the middle of the week. We also have a lot of Fed speak now that the data continues to be fairly strong. And the last thing is earnings kickoff next week. So we will be getting earnings reports from the banks later in the week. So that could be another influence into the pricing structure for volatility as we head into earnings season.